I'm going to show you how to put this PDF together. You're going to print it off, no scaling, print at 100%, and this is what they will look like. I'm just going to show you this version here. So I lay this across. It's 4 across, so I'm going to pull out the first 4 sheets and put the bottom 4 in another pile for now. And then what I do is I stack like this. So if I just cut off all the left sides, this will work. So now it's pretty close. I didn't cut it perfectly, but you want to line up those notches and use your tape. I'm going to fast forward this section here. As you can see, we're building at 4 across. And now for the second row, we need to trim that top edge and then the left edge on every page except number 5. So here I'm cutting away the top edge, and then I'll place number 5. If you forget and trim the left edge, it's not a big deal. For the rest of them, the left edge does need to be trimmed. Then you're going to align the top and side arrows and the text as best you can and put your pieces of tape. I do have on this pattern piece that it is supposed to be about 13.5 inches wide and 22 inches tall. Get it as close as you can. This is really not high stakes, it's going to ruin everything if it's not perfect. Get it close and carry on. Take your paper rotary cutter and trim so that you are only working with the pattern piece. It makes it much easier to work later. Okay, get rid of all the scraps. I fold it up so you can see how this one pattern piece makes the whole case. Here I've already basted foam interfacing to the wrong side of my soft vinyl. I'm using rose gold soft vinyl here. I always use a bigger piece of foam than my fabric piece, and I trim the excess away. That way if it shifts, it's still okay. Here I'm talking about make sure that your rotary cutter is sharp. You shouldn't be pressing hard. Change your blade out if you're having to press hard. Now I'm using canvas for the lining, and I'm not going to interface it because canvas is thicker than quilting cotton and it has enough body. You can use the pattern piece, or you can just lay your foam and vinyl piece on top of it like I am showing here and trim. Now you will mark an opening. You'll clip these, or you can use pins. On my soft vinyl, you can use pins because it's much like fabric. And I only tell you this for my soft vinyl at sewhungryhippie.com. Okay, now to view the rest of this whole project, go to sewhungryhippie.com and click the tutorials tab, and you can watch me and Amy sew it live. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and don't forget to hit the like. Thank you, bye.